Welcome to this exciting tutorial. My name is Robert Farrell. I've built an entire network of affiliate marketing and video subscription websites, completely turnkey, you have access to. You simply point and click. It's all WordPress based, but here's the kicker. I've made this so simple that you literally have to sign up, pick a domain name. I have over 13,000 domain names to choose from that come with your account. Now, these are subdomains. So as an example, if you pick WP Learning services, it would be subdomain. So let me explain how this works. Really cool. I've been doing training since 1987, 31 years, software training for Adobe, Wordpress since the beginning, and online since 1995. Now, do I have all the answers? No. Anybody that tells you they do, don't walk, run. So let me share with you the experience. So this network of mine, this contains over 54 different networks you have access to for affiliate marketing. But what I want to talk about today, which is very exciting, is if you're a trainer, if you train using videos on Udemy or other services. By the way, from 2012 to 2014, I was the #1 top earner and best-selling teacher on Udemy for WordPress and Adobe products. Now, Udemy is a great platform. I wish them all the best. They have millions of subscribers. It's a great place to be as far as getting exposure, but I wasn't too happy with the revenue share, okay? So if my revenue went up, that was one thing. My revenue was going down. I made upwards of sometimes $40,000+ a month back in 2012, 2014. Again, Udemy is a great place, great platform, but my system will enhance that because you now have complete control over your students. You have email addresses. More importantly, you can set up your own affiliate marketing program that you control for your website. So let me share how this works. One of my networks I have is called iSubscribe. So if I go here to iSubscribe network, now, you don't need to see my charming face. I'm going to turn the camera off at this point. Okay, so you come on here, you click here, you sign up for an account. So let me share with you how this works. So if you're going to do this professionally as a training platform, you have complete control over your income, your marketing, and you keep everything. You pay one flat fee either per month. I would suggest annual, you'll get a better deal. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to come down here. Now watch this. You put in your username, password, and then you pick the title of your site. Okay. Now these are subdomains. Now here's the cool part. If you don't want to use these, then you can use your own domain name. So if you have your own domain name, you can use that too. Totally free. It comes with the program. Down here, now here's the important part. Definitely pick subscription training videos, not affiliate marketing unless you want to do both. If you want to do both, sign up with those separately. So I'm going to share with you how simple this is to set up. So once this is set up, you'll immediately get access to your site. And let me share the experience in the back end. So this is a WordPress installation. Now it separates my platform from anybody else's. Your website comes installed with tons of premium themes and premium plugins, including easy downloads, professional version. Now, if you don't want my help with this, that's great. You can do this yourself, but be prepared to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on plugins like I have Affiliate WP, the entire library, Easy Digital Downloads, the entire library, Thirsty Affiliates, the agency version, etc., etc. So this is one-stop simple setup. And again, you get to keep all your income. You simply pay me a nominal fee every year and you're good to go. So let me share with you. Now, the cool thing about this, if you're new to setting up your own thing, that's fine. I have tons of back-end videos right here in admin. Plus, you'll have access to Astra Pro theme and also Eliminator Pro theme, which is great for top interfaces. Now, by default, if you look at the front end of this, this is nothing. This is simple setup. I keep it bare bones on the front end to give you the opportunity to basically design this any way you choose using Elementor or other themes. So I just want to make that clear. So your system comes pre-installed and pre-set up with a password-protected membership area. All you have to do is add your own content. Now, to be clear here, if you want to protect your videos, you will need to have a Vimeo Pro account or Wistia account. I suggest cost-effectively that Vimeo is the best platform to go with. So let me share the experience. Now, you would have to get your API code, a video that explains that one step at a time. I already have my API code installed. So what I would do is come down here to lessons. Now, you already have a test lesson already installed in your program. Of course, you can change the names to anything you want, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do here is go to videos and import videos. Now, here's the choices you have. You can import videos based on these two, Wistia, I guess that's how you say it, or Vimeo. So I'm going to choose Vimeo. I'm going to show albums and channels. Now, in addition to that, you then have to make sure that that album is password protected, and more importantly, it has permissions to look at your website, your server. So I'll explain how to do that. So I'm going to get down here and I'm going to pick this video series right here. Now, pay attention to this. Before you import, this way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Where do you want to put this? We're going to put this inside of our test lesson. So you have courses, you have lessons. You're going to really like this. This is really cool. A person could write notes, they can search, they can bookmark, they can actually check their progress to how much of that particular lesson they've watched. I'll explain that in a second. So you come down here, I'm going to import these videos. It takes a couple of seconds. Boom. Videos are imported. Okay, so now I go to my lesson, and I can view my lesson. Now, if I click right here to view, this is going to show me the lesson on the front end. Now, this can be changed any way you choose. You can put the thumbnails at the bottom, on the left, on the right, etc., etc. What's really cool about my system here is all the lessons come in drop-down menus. So if you have 5, 6, 10, 12 lessons in here, these are all drop-down menus. So as an example, let's say that I wanted to watch this video here.
So my training program is all about working smart, squeezing the sponge. Time is money.
Okay, now, if I come down here, I can actually write a note. So I could write a note called "This is cool." So now it's next week, next month, next year. The student can now come back up here and search their notes for the word "this." And hit OK. So that'll go and search that particular thing that they noted. Now, if you want to get rid of the note, you simply select right here and delete. Now, because I'm logged in as admin, you have access to this because you're logged in. I'll explain the registration process to make it so simple. It's really this simple. So if I come up here to statistics, you will see that I can say, okay, here's my lesson, and I can get details. So this will show the student how much of that video they watched. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Now, let me explain to you how simple it is for the student to sign up. Okay, so what I want to share with you is the front end can be designed, developed any way you choose. You can have call to action videos. You can have, your system comes with theme, Thrive plugins, which is great for landing pages, marketing, SEO, capturing emails, etc., etc. I'll go into that in another video, but this is really cool stuff. So I just want to make the experience really simple. So again, this is plain vanilla front end, but you can design this any way you choose because it's a WordPress website and you have access to premium themes and plugins. I'm going to click right here, my courses. Okay, so again, this is the student experience. Okay, so you can have a list of courses, you can add to cart, whatever you want to do at the back end. Keep in mind, this is all driven from easy digital downloads. Now, easy digital downloads I have used since I've left Udemy to make literally hundreds of thousands of dollars using easy digital downloads. It's a great system. It will track, it will do abandoned carts, all the features, all the bells and whistles that you have. If you already have these digital downloads, that's great, but I already have it too, so you have access to it. So I'm going to click here to purchase. Okay, now I have this set up as a test payment, so you're going to see the experience, but of course it's not going to go anyplace. You can set this up for PayPal or Stripe. Oh, by the way, with easy digital downloads, you can charge your courses per month, per quarter, per week, per day, per hour, per year, whatever you want to do. So if you want to do a test series of videos where you get the first 5 videos for a 3-day trial or something like that, you can do it as well. So I'm going to down here. So once they're on the checkout page, in addition to that, you can add coupons, volume discounts. So as an example, if a person buys 5 of your courses or 3 of your courses or 2 of your courses, you can automatically set up a volume discount for that. You can also do direct linking from affiliate web pages. So if you have a person that's going to sell for you from, say, abc.com, you can set this up in the back end. So if anything that comes from abc.com, their personal website, they would get an affiliate approval. They would get a commission on that based on we want to pay them 5%, 10%, 40%. So let's go through the process here. So the only way to buy, and this is totally up to you, these are preferences that you would set up. So I'm going to, if I log in, if I have an account, but if I don't have an account, I'm just going to down here and just put in an email address. Now, I didn't turn this feature on, but you can also say, hey, in order to buy something, you have to basically read my terms and conditions. That would be a checkbox down here. Again, I will show you in great detail once you basically sign up how simple this is. It's totally flexible. You could do abandoned cart. You could do user history. Basically, how long did the person stay on the page? What pages did they go to? This is really great marketing for your courses. You will not find this anyplace else. In fact, Udemy doesn't have this. Other places don't have this. My system has something that generates sales for you. You could also do things like custom coupons. You can actually generate one-off coupons so somebody can't reuse it again, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So if I'm down here to purchase, again, I'm set up. I can save the password if I want to, but I'm set up that this is just a test payment. So now the payment is complete, okay? Now they can access their video, okay? So whatever courses they just bought, they go right here at the back end. So now they're on the back end and they can start learning. Now you can set this up any way you choose. Any menu here you want to have upgrades. Easy Digital Downloads comes with, let me turn the camera back on. Easy Digital Downloads comes with a ton of great marketing and cross-promotion tools. So you might say, hey, if a person bought this course, maybe they're interested in that course. This is totally going to knock your socks off. Again, pay no attention to the front-end design because that can be designed any way you choose. I'm just keeping this really simple and showing you form and function of how simple this is to set up. So now the user's logged in. They can now go through the video step by step. Now, depending on the course they set up, the course drop-down would be set up here, one step at a time. So I really want you to get excited about this. And I have special incentives for signing up for this portal. Again, you can change through domain mapping. You don't have to pick my domain names. I mean, you have to pick some domain name, but what you could do is it map your domain name. So if you're going to be superwordpresstraining.com, that could be your domain name. Now, the other thing you could do is you also, I have affiliate sites that you can use as a marketing platform. So you can use it as a marketing platform to push sales to your Udemy website, and vice versa. So it's really cool. Get excited about this. My name is Robert Farrell. For those of you that don't know me, I apologize about my voice. I have the same unfortunate ailment that Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has and Shania Twain has. So don't think I've been sitting around all day drinking whiskey or wine. This is my voice. Sometimes it's better than this. Today it's not that good. But if you Google Robert F. Kennedy Jr. voice, it's an ailment that unfortunately there's no cure for, but what I have to have done every 3 months, I have to have Botox injections in my vocal cords. I'm being serious about this. It really sucks when you can't communicate properly, considering since I've been teaching for 31 years now, since 1987. So thanks for being here. If any questions, click the link below. I'll get you all set up. But it's this simple to set up your own training portal website. You either need to have a Wistia account or a Vimeo account to make this work. Now, if you want to bounce videos and set this up for YouTube, well, the problem with that system is YouTube is not protected, so anybody can get it. Yes, you can set passwords, but that means it's the same password for all the videos. Now, here's another thing about YouTube. YouTube is #2 search engine. YouTube is a wonderful tool for marketing and promoting. I use it myself. Lynda.com, who used to teach at my school, by the way, back in 1997. Lynda.com taught at my school. She uses YouTube as a teaser. She'll do like intro or excerpts. So you can do that to your site and then offer different incentives. Now, another thing you're going to like, which I will share with you in a subsequent video, and all this stuff in the back end, complete A to Z training in the back end, totally free, included with your platform. I have social media discounts. So as an example, persons to check out or they're not sure about checking out. So you could say, hey, get an extra 5% or 10% off for sharing me on social media, meaning sharing your platform on social media. That's something you can't do at other platforms. So thanks for being here. Again, my name is Robert Farrell, Carpe Diem 2018.